Let's perform a quick unboxing of a Realme GT 70. I'm gonna show you what we can find inside and how the phone looks like. So let's get right into it. We unpack the phone. There it is. And this is how it looks like. First, we're gonna take a look at the paper box that we can find inside. Of course, over here we have our phone, but we're gonna move to that a little bit later. So first, the paper box. Let's see what we can find inside over here. Let's take everything out. There we go. Everything is packed like this, which is quite cool. So now over here, as you can see, we can find the USB cable. This is USB-A into USB-C. Besides that, we also have a quick guide and the manual, I suppose. Here we have the eject tool for the SIM tray. And of course, the simple silicone, it looks like a silicone case, protective case that we can use at least until we replace it with a different one. And now let's take a look at the phone itself. So let's take it out. There we go. And this is how our phone looks like. In my case, I have this yellow color. Over here on the right side, of course, we have the power button and volume buttons. There is nothing on the left side. Here's how the top looks like, and the bottom of the phone. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.